If you ever go. Oh. Get through one night without you. If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms and you cold. You have broken my heart from home. If you ever leave, baby, you take away everything in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know how I breathe without you. But no, how do I ever survive? How do I live?
Karen, sing.
I don't wanna.
Without
you. There'll be no sun. There'll be no love. There'll be no one there for me. And baby, I don't know what I would do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, maybe you would take away everything real in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever Hello? Hey, what's up? How do I live?
We're leaving here very soon. Okay? Wait, do you know, are you bringing Yvonne or should we pick her up or? You're picking her up? Okay, sure. Alright. Oh, that's fine. Okay,
If you ever
He's
leave,
picking Yvonne right now.
baby, you would take away everything. Need you with me. Baby, 'cause you know that you're everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know. And how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live without you, baby? I'm just gonna get this thing inside out of my eye.
Wait.
Cover.
Okay, so Michael's
How do I go on? Wait, what does it say? 4. 4, you suck shit.
Who you touch? I'm thinking.
What? Carry on. Carry on.